Hello all, so in this video we'll be starting machine learning. First of all, let us start with the brief introduction. So I am not giving the definition first. First I will be comparing two different things, that is classical way of our programming and how the machine learning programming is done, right? So in classical programming, what we are doing, we have certain rules and we have some input, that is data. And depending on that rules which are applying on our data input, we will get answers, or you can say output, right? But in machine learning there is something new happening, and what is that? We have data as our input, but we have answers as well. Okay, and in output we get rules. So it seems something confusing, like what does it mean? It means that machine learning is something, is the machine or the algorithm which learns through experience, that we have already answers, we have some input data, and depending on that we build our own rules, and building it our own rules will be used as our feedback, that is depending on the new data. Okay, we will generate new rules, because as we all know that in nature we have, we are not fixed to any particular rule, right? Particular input data, every time we get a new input data from our nature. So machine learning thought that let us use answers as our input, and depending on that we will generate the rules. So this is something tricky thing. So in theoretical terms we can say that, simple definition I am saying that, there are so many definitions, we will discuss each of them. So the first simple definition is that using data to answer questions, or we can say it is study of computer algorithm. Okay, and the algorithms, they will improve themselves, like that improve by experience, you can say automatically, through experience, through experience. So the very well-known example is that robot, okay, which is made by one of the country, right? So what that lady robot is doing, actually now she is a citizen, right? So that lady robot is gaining experience. She is continuously learning, right? So that robot citizen, so that citizen is nothing but she is doing, she is taking continuous answers as well as data from the nature, and she is generating the rules, right? Which is nothing but our machine learning algorithm, right? So this is the definition. One more definition, formally we can say, let me write first. So one more definition is that a computer is said to learn from some experience E with respect to class of task T. We have some task, right, to do, and performance measure P. If the performance at task in T, that is by each of the tasks, the performance measured by the quantity P should improve with respect to E. That is, it should be a convergence, right? It should not be the divergence. That is, the performance should converge, right? The performance should be improving, right? It's not like we are getting uh, very bad performance through experience, right? So this is one more definition of our machine learning. Now we will be discussing a machine learning paradigm, right? So let's discuss that. Those things will be more clear because this is our theory.